Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an autoclicker on your ps4 controller. No apps or any hack, and it's homemade. So first you get a toothpick, break it in half like I did, and you get your ps4 controller. Okay, so it only work I think and this I think, I don't know. So clicking the button you want. I'm going to choose the X button, put the toothpick in, and voila! The X button is now auto clicking. So if you ask like if this will break your controller, I don't think so, because I tried it like multiple times and it didn't. And I think if you put it like too deep in, it will break it, so don't do that. I tried it myself and it's the best, and if one got lost or something, you have another one. So this is how. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, and bye.